love me that strong. Feels surround around, you're on my mind.
Hello. Good evening po. What's your name?
I'm Agnes Burato Ignacio from Romblon.
Ah, wow. Layo ng dinayo.
Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 57 years old. Yes.
Okay, Agnes, let your performance speak for you. Go. Pakita mo na yung galing mo.
Ang hirap nun to play the bottom keys, to bounce, and to do ad-libs at the same time. Ang hirap nun. Very, very hard.
Agnes, may sadness na pinagdaanan talaga life mo.
Even right now, I'm living in a solitary life. When my mother and my father was still alive, I'm very happy with them. But when they died 4 years ago, my brothers and sisters left. I don't even know where they are.
Wala na kayong communication.
I'm trying to communicate with them because I have cancer. Iniisip ko na lang po na baka ayaw nila kasi baka mag-recur yung cancer. Mahirap po. And my husband also left me.
Anong cancer?
Breast cancer, and then I have a metastasis here in my L3.
But you're still okay. 11
But I'm
years.
still okay. That's
Wow.
why I wonder why. Because I'm serving the Lord.
Ilang taon ka nang walang asawa?
9 years going to 10 years.
You have kids?
Wala rin. Walang baby. Wasn't a kid.
Ilang years kin married nung iniwan ka niya?
Mag-silver anniversary na kami. And we were sweethearts when we were first year in high school. So he left me. Ayaw niyang gumastos kasi nasa 4th stage yung cancer. And he doesn't even know na buhay ako. Yes.
What's your job?
I'm a piano teacher.
Ano yung main purpose na pagsali mo?
I want to visit my doctor na ipagpatuloy yung pagpa-check up, and I want to buy a very nice piano dahil I've got plenty of students in Romblon waiting for me, and they're praying for me na manalo ako dahil sabi ko, for a while, I will leave you first kasi maghanap muna ng greener pasture si teacher. Kasi mura lang ang bayad sa Romblon. It's only 150 per hour. At minsan, utang pa. Sabi ko, paano ako mabubuhay? Hindi naman pwedeng pilitin na singilin kung wala akong sweldo yung mga teachers. But still, I can survive because of the love of God for me.
Your strength is amazing and your persistence to still play the piano and teach all the kids and your belief in God. No? But if we have to say yes, You have to play the piano properly because nervous ka, nawawala ka sa nota. Kanina. But understandably, this is the first time to face a big audience. So, ladies,
Paano ka hihindi sa kwento na yun at sa talent na yun? Paano?
Alam mo, Agnes, ako luka-luka ako, pero iyakin ako talaga. And, inspirasyon ka. Totoo naman yun. Hindi lang ako ang na-inspire sa'yo. Maraming babae na naging inspirasyon ka ngayon. Kung gaano kabuti ang Panginoon sa atin.
Yes, thank